Hey everybody, yesterday I received another Toyhax sticker kit. This one is a little bit older. I know you can't really see much on this sheet. It looks like there's nothing there, but there is. It's a little bit older because this is for the Combiner Wars Battlecore Optimus Prime to upgrade him into Nova Prime because I didn't really follow the comics. There wasn't really anything in the show about it as to why he was white. So it really made no sense. But it does make sense for him to be used as Nova Prime. My Battlecore Optimus, though, already has an upgrade kit on him to turn him into Nova Prime. But it's lacking some details that these sticker sheets will fix. So my Battlecore Optimus has the SND Primo Ex Mortis upgrade kit, turning him into Nova Prime. These white stickers really just go onto these gray areas here on the front and around the cab, turning it into the proper color. A lot of these stickers will be used on the windshield and side windows to make it more of a uniform configuration. A lot of these that go onto the robot mode are covered up by a lot of these pieces. The pieces that go on his ankles and his legs and his thighs, including the chest piece. That covers a lot of it up, but more of the stickers go on the cab and vehicle mode than they do the robot mode. So I will be using them. I'll be applying them today. And then we'll get the vehicle mode done. And then off camera, I will transform back into robot mode, apply whatever stickers I'm able to. Like I said, I'm not going to be able to use all of them, just to get him where he needs to be. Now, this is not a review of the Combiner Wars Nova Prime. If you would like to see a review after I've gotten all the stickers on, if you'd like to see the robot mode, like to see the transformation, like to see how this goes, I will do a review of him. But I don't have enough subscribers at the moment. I'm thinking once I get to 500, we'll do him. It's just like my Takara Legends God Genrai. I have all three Perfect Effect kits for him, and they're all applied. He looks great. I want to do a review of him, but I don't have enough subscribers, so I'll probably be setting another goal for him at some point as well. I'm doing the Combiner series. Right now I'm starting with some of my least popular ones. Again, because I don't have that many subscribers. We'll do the better ones and then eventually get to the ones that I do have full upgrade kits for when there are more subscribers to the channel. When there's more traffic coming in, people staying for longer. So let's go ahead and get these applied so that I can put him back on the shelf. So these stickers here, I'm trying to just give you an outline. There. They are supposed to go here on the original figure, but this update kit completely covers that, so we don't need those. We don't need those stickers. And these ones are spares just in case we ripped any of them. But we've got them applied. So now let's move on to some of the windshields. Okay, so that's all of them that I can, off the top of my head, remember where they're supposed to go. So, as you can see, it already changes him up a lot. It makes him look a whole lot better. So I'm gonna, off camera, apply everything else I can, because just like with the cassette tapes, there were no instructions that came with this. I have to go to toyhax.com and look at their product pictures, just to be able to figure out which one of these I actually can use, where they go. So I'm gonna go do that, and then we'll do the sign off. Alright, so going back and looking at the product pictures, I realized there was these stickers here and these ones here on the side that I had missed. Everything else is really in robot mode, and you can see there's still a lot of stickers left. A lot of those stickers are covered up by the upgrade kit. I did use some of them and a little itty bitty pair of scissors, cut some and made some customizations like these stickers here, right there. They aren't supposed to go there because, they aren't made for the kit, but I did make them fit. And I think it looked pretty well. The SND Primo Ex Mortis kit comes with a different head sculpt for Optimus. Now, when you're doing robot mode, it's not the flip out head for Optimus, it's the combined head that you pull straight out the back and up. There is a combined mode. I'm never going to put him in it. I did it once, and that was it. He's never getting combined with anybody because just why? It doesn't make sense to me. I don't have extra figures to do that with. Here he is with all of his stickers, and I know when I was applying them, a lot of the stickers I put on were out of or off camera. I'm gonna get better at that. I will get better at that. So there he is with the Toyhax stickers and the SND Primo Ex Mortis kit. Again, if you want to see him in robot mode, I'm not doing that until we have at least 500 subscribers, because it's very nice. And also, it's a pain in the butt to transform. So, yeah. So, there he is. Thank you for watching me put stickers on a piece of plastic. And like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until next time, thanks for watching.